Nina besihlangu simaqapha sinamanxeba sagudla ivuna siyakhuleka nina besilo la ku SABC 1 ngabe ngenze likhulu iphutha uma ngakushiya ngaphandle nawe imbukeli wethu sibuka ohlelweni lwethu lusebenzisa uqeqesho wesimanje iDTT ithimba lendaba zesiZulu selididiyele okwami ukuphakela zona naze inhlonze kusihlanje.
Oqala mina noLongo sasingani.
Firstly, Longwe and myself were not fighting.
Sasi happy gabi mina noLongo we were in a very good space.
Ufakazi wombuso uZandile Khumalo okuphikile ukuthi ingxabano eyayiphakathi kwakhe nesoka lakhe langaleso sikhathi uLongwethwala yikona kwaholela ekudutshuleni kaSenzo Meyiwa. uKhumalo ubephekwa ngemibuzo abameli babasolo ecaleni lokubulawa kaMeyiwa.
Technically and otherwise, it's definitely a gas explosion. Which line it is, we are now detecting that, and we are assessing that particular part.
Umkhadlu udolopha igolo sokuqinisekisile ukuthi igesi iyona yaqhuma edolobheni ngolwesithathu kodwa ke lo mkhadlu udolopha awukazi ukuthi yayiqhamukapi le gesi nanokuthi ngeyaluphi uhlobo.
Thina siyazi ukuthi iAfrican champs and iSweden ayikuzuba igame elula but lanto ukuthi sifuna uAfcon yasinika ukuthi anything is possible. I understand nobudlala nayiphi na team.
Ibanyana imisela ukwenza kangcono emqhudelwaneni wakulonyaka wendebe yomhlaba abesifazana osuqalile kwelase New Zealand nase Australia elakuleli wezobhekana neSweden neSondo. Ufakazi wombuso ecaleni lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa uZandile Khumalo uyihlabe wayihlikize ukuthi ingxabano yakhe nesoka lakhe langaleso sikhathi uLongwethwala eyaholela ekudutshuleni kaMeyiwa ngo-2014 enkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli kuphinde kwabhekisiswa nokuthi babekusiphi isimo ubudlelwano bukaKheli Khumalo noMeyiwa ngenkathi edlula emhlabeni uMeyiwa.
Ufakazi wombuso ecaleni lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa uZandile Khumalo uyayihlaba uyayihlikize ukuthi kwaba nokungaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwakhe nesoka lakhe uLongwethwala ngaphambi kokuthi edlule emhlabeni uMeyiwa.
Mina noLongo sasingani.
Firstly, Longwe and myself were not fighting.
Sasi happy gabi mina noLongo we were in a very good space.
We were very happy, myself and Longwe. We were in a very good space.
uKhumalo ubuye waphekwa ngemibuzo mayelana nesitatimende sikaThwala esimchaza njengonebala elikhanyayo omunye walabasolwa okuphikisana nokushiwo nguye uKhumalo.
He says in his latest statement, I noticed two guys getting inside the house. The one who came first was short, dark, having dreadlocks with cheekbones, and he was wearing a jacket that was between khaki or light brown in bracket beige.
Ubudlelwane bukaMeyiwa noyintombi yakhe ngaleso sikhathi uKheli Khumalo nabo bugqame kakhulu kuleli icala njengoba kunomlayezo wathunyelwa nguKheli kuZandi uveza uKheli njengomuntu wayecabanga ukushiya ubudlelwane bakhe noMeyiwa.
Emotionally drained. I sometimes feel that Senzo brought a dark cloud in my life. And I can almost hate myself for not succeeding in getting rid of him via SMSs, and the SMS would not go. I feel like God is deliberately sabotaging me by keeping this man in my life.
Ukuphenywa ngemibuzo kuzoqhubeka ngomsombuluko.
Abameli bakahulumeni kanye nalabo bekade bejutshwe iDA enkantolo ngodaba lokuthi kuboshwe umengameli waseRussia Vladimir Putin bavumelene ngolokuxoxa baqede ungasaqulwa ngesigcaweni senkantolo ephakeme eGauteng namhlanje lolu daba. Zonke inhlaka bezingxenye lolu daba ivumelene ngamaphuzu ezomthetho nokulandelwa komyalelo wencwadi yenkantolo yomhlaba eyayigunyaze ukuthi kuboshwe umengameli waseRussia uma kwenzeke efika la eNingizimu Afrika ukuzokwethamela umhlangano wamazwe eBRICS ngenyanga ezayo. Uhulumeni uvumile ukukhokhela indleko zecala eligcine lingangenanga esigcawini samacala waphinde wavuma ukuyibophezela ngelokuthi uma nje kwenzeka uPutin engafika kuleli uyoboshwa ngaphandle kokunanaza. Ihhovisi likaMengameli wezwe limemezele ngokusemthethweni ke ukuthi umengameli waseRussia Vladimir Putin ngeke sawuhambela umhlangano wamazwe eBRICS kunalokho uzothumela ongqongqoshe wendaba zamazwe angaphandle kwelaseRussia. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthi uhulumeni ubeke eqhulwini uxazulula ingqinamba yokuqoza kwamanzi nokuyingqinamba ekhungethe izwe. Umengameli uRamaphosa ubekhuluma namakhulu abantu eMgungundlovu KwaZulu-Natal emcimbini obusenkundleni yezemidlalo iTaylor's Health khona eMgungundlovu. Uhambo lwakhe luyingxenye yemizamo kamengameli yokubhekana ngqo nezinselelo ezokuhlinzeka kwezidingo nqangi emphakathini.
Udaba lokushaya ngolonwabo ekulethweni kwezinsiza zikahulumeni beluseqhulwini namhlanje emhlanganweni womphakathi waseMgungundlovu kanye nomengameli wezwe. Lo mphakathi ukhale ngezinkinga eziningana okubalwa kuzona ukuqoza kwezinsiza, ukwentuleka kwamathuba emsebenzi kanye nentsha ecula ezidakamizweni.
Mongameli, sithi intsha yethu yafi izidakamizwa ukhona. Sicela amathuba omsebenzi.
Asinamgwaqo emihle, sinamagravel. Asinamanzi, amanzi ahamba ngo-2007.
uRamaphosa uthi uhulumeni uzazi kamhlophe izinselelo ezibhekene nezwe futhi uhulumeni wenza konke okusemandleni ukuzixazulula.
Sizowafaka amanzi ejartini. Lokhu bantu bakithi kubonisa ukuthi uhulumeni lo waka African National Congress uzimisele ukuthi usebenzele umphakathi.
Namhlanje mina umengameli uye kohlola isikhungo sokucwenga amanzi esilungiswe kabusha ngemali eshisiwe nokulindeleke ukuthi babe izinkulungwane ezingamakhulu ayisi-7 abantu abazohlomula kuso.
Sizokhanda amanye ama-reservoirs kuzo zonke lezi ndawo la kunamagquma khona, sifaka ama-reservoirs senzele ukuthi amanzi aphume ampompeke angene emakhaya.
Uhulumeni uphinde wavakashela uhlelo lwamanzi Vulindlela Bulk nokuwuhlelo olukhulukazi lwamanzi kulesifunda.
Umkhandlu dolobha iGoli usuqinisekisile ukuthi igesi iyona eyaqhuma edolobheni ngolwesithathu, kodwa ke lo mkhandlu dolobha awukazi ukuthi yayiqhamukaphi le gesi nanokuthi ngeyaluphi uhlobo. Lo mkhandlu dolobha uthi lesigameko aseyamene nokumbiwa kwegolide ngokungemthetho. Kushone umuntu oyedwa kwathi abanye balimala, imoto ayisalanga ngaphandle ngemva kwalomshophi. Lokhu kuqinisekiswe umphathi wedolobha uFloyd Brink ngesikhathi ebamba isithangamna beyindaba namhlanje entambama.
Umphathi wedolobha laseGoli uFloyd Brink uthe ukuqhuma okwenzeke eGoli akwenziwanga abamba ngokungemthetho njengoba kade kucatshangelwa. Esikhundleni salokho igas iqhumile.
Otherwise, it's definitely a gas explosion. Which line it is, we are now detecting that and we are assessing that particular part. We are ruling out at this point anything related to zama-zamas or anything illegal mining and so forth. So that for now it's out.
Usexwayise izakhamuzi ukuthi zingalokoti zisondele lapho kuvalwe khona njengoba kungaphephile.
We wish to caution the residents to not to interfere with the boundaries and not to enter the cordoned off areas for the sole purpose of their safety. So it's really to request our residents and those around the area, if an area is barricaded, please do not enter that particular area.
We-EMS uthi basebenzisana namaphoyisa ukubheka ukuthi ikhona yini ingane engabe ivaleleke ngaphakathi njengoba kunamahlebezi ukuthi khona ingane elahlekile.
We are also working hand in hand with the footage that you just saw to try and search for the kid. Yes, there was a information that was given that there was a missing child, but we are doing all in our powers to try and search for the child and working hand in hand with the SABC to try and have more information from the siblings to say that is the child missing or just getting more information.
Kusenjalo umndeni nabangani kaJoseph Dumsani wokudabuka eMalawi oneminyaka engama-33 ubudala oshone ngesikhathi kunokuqhuma edolobheni leGoli ngolwesithathu bachaza kabanzi ukuthi bathola kanjani ukuthi ushonile.
He was working under alongside Loveday Street. They are selling shoes, and after work he went to buy food. From there is when he involved in this accident.
Bafuna kuba ayongcwatshelwa ekhaya eMalawi kodwa imali abanayo bacela uhulumeni kuba abasize.
Sisathi kuwe itolo kanti uma besibuya sizokuphathela udaba olutheni.
Sesihambisa kweJoburg ndiya eMthatha naseNsikisiki from 4:00 ndilapha silambile asinakutya oko no movement ekhoyo apha.
Sebesikhombisa abantu abadlule emhlabeni engozini ebandakanya iloli nebhasi emgwaqeni uN6 eFree State. Mbukeli lelo daba lingezinye zeindaba esobe sikuphathele zona uma ngabe sibuya eTolo. Asikubingelele uma ubusanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi ufakazi wombuso uSandile Khumalo ukuphikile ukuthi ingxabano yayiphakathi kwakhe nesoka lakhe ngaleso sikhathi ulongwethwala ikona kwaholela ekudutshulweni kaSenzo Meyiwa. uKhumalo bephekwa ngemibuzo abameli babasolwa ecaleni lokubulawa kwakhe uSenzo Meyiwa. Bukela sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ikhona na ku YouTube wena okumele ukwenze ngena kuyona uyigcine ngamagama athi SABC Izindaba na kanjani ngiyakuthembisa uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo. Izakhamuzi zaseNorthwest zithi umnyango wezemvelo nezamahlathi uvuna ukutshalile ngemva kokuthi qubuka umlilo izolo ebusuku endaweni esetshenziswa yona lo mnyango ukulahla amathayi agugile.
Sekuphele iminyaka amasondo ezimoto enqwabelene kule ndawo. Lokhu akwehli kahle kuzakhamuzi njengoba zikhala ngokuthi ayingozi empilweni yazo. Lezi zakhamuzi zithi umnyango awukazi nje uzihluphe ngokubonisana nazo ngaphambi kokuvula le ndawo.
Ngihlala maduzane nale ndawo, lesi simo siyangikhathaza ngoba le ntuthu ingene endlini zethu. Kumele asuswe lamathayi lapha ngoba kuhlala abantu kule ndawo. Buka nje namhlanje sibhekene nalokho.
Iqembu iDA lifuna umnyango wezemvelo uziphendulele.
The minister failed in its responsibility to do compliance and do oversight. The Directorate of Waste Management, it's part of the minister's portfolio, and the minister since 2018 has issued budget.
Khona manjalo lo mnyango usuthathe inyathelo zokubhula lo mlilo kepha ke usafuna isixazululo esizoba unomphela.
The department would like to assure communities that work is continuing to create additional and wider fire breaks to ensure that the fire remains contained and the remaining tires do not pose a safety hazard.
Ngenhlanhla abekho abantu abalimele noma abaphangalele.
Senyuke safinyelela kwaba isikhombisa isibalo sabantu abadlule emhlabeni engozini ebandakanya iloli nebhasi emgwaqeni othela wayeka uN6 bobabili ke abashayeli bashonile.
Lengozi eshaqisayo iphazamise ukuhamba kwezimonto emgwaqeni uN6 cishe usuku lonke. Ibhasi belisuke eGauteng libangise eButterworth, iloli liqhamuka eUK Eastern Cape. Amanye amaloli achitha amahora lishumi kule ndawo ngenxa yale ngozi.
I've been waiting here since 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, it's a bad thing that happened there, you know, really, because there is a life that is lost. So apparently we know it was 5 people that lost their life, but then we just found out that it's 7 on the radios.
Siswami ndisuke Joburg, ndiya eMthatha naseSikisiki. From 4 o'clock ndilapha. Silambile asinakutya oko, no movement ekhoyo apha. So sikhathele nje and yabona ko breakdown akho ntoni. Asikwazi uhamba silambile ku.
Abagibeli abangamashumi-43 baphuthunyiswe esibhedlela iSmithfield.
Only one was in a critical condition and the other were moderate and minor injuries. With the extrication going on, 2 more bodies were discovered that passed on, which now brought the total tally of fatalities at this accident to 7.
Imbangela yengozi ayikaziwa.
Imndeni isulezashona esigamekweni esenzeke endaweni yokucima ukoma iNyobeni eMonti esifundazweni Eastern Cape izwakalisa ukudumala ngokudula inyawo kahulumeni ngokuyihlinzeka ngemiphumela yokuhlola kweyidumbi zabathandiweyo bayo.
Sele kuqenqeleke inyanga ezili-13 susela inhlekele yaseNyobeni yenzeka, kodwa abazali basafuna impendulo kuba kwenzeka ntoni kanye kubantwana babo. Babanga ngelithi basiwa ngapha nangapha.
Indlela uhulumende asiphethe ngayo benza izithembiso ezikhulu abangazange bazilandele, kodwa kunanamhlanje nje nangexesha besilapha size apha ngoxolo ukuzofuna nje into okubana singenza njani ukufumana ireport zabantwana bethu.
Ukanti zempilo ephondweni lithi lengxelo ifunwa ngabazali isemapoliseni.
Silisebe sifuna ukucacisa ukuba kwimeko apho kufuneka uphando ngokukhokhelele ekuswelekeni komntu, sinoxanduva lokwenza uphando olupheleleyo, le nto siyibiza ngokuba yi-forensic investigation. Xa sele sizifumene iziphumo eziqinisekisa ngokusweleka kwaloo mntu okanye abo bantu, ingxelo siyidlulisela kwabomthetho ukuze baqhube nophando.
Kulindeleke kuhlala intlanganiso phakathi kwabazali kunye nenkonzo yesipolisa ngoLwesine weveki ezayo. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze-SABC eMonti.
Umgqugquzeli wekomiti lophiko lwabesifazane ku-ANC kuZwelenko ubaleka Mbethe uthi unesiqiniseko sokuthi izoqhubeka ingqungquthela kaZwelenko yalolu phiko okuhlelwe ukuthi ibanjwe kuyona le mpelasonto. Ekhuluma eNazareth eningizimu yeGoli, Mbethe uthe amalunga awu-2,900 ka-3,100 okulindeleke ukuthi athamele ingqungquthela kaZwelonke ye-13 asebhalisile. Mbethe uthi uhlaka lolu phiko lwasesifundazweni iNorth West yilona kuphela olusasele ukuthi libhalise. Le ngqungquthela izobanjwa emva kwamasonto esikhathini ayihlelelwe ukuthi ibanjwe ngaso njengoba yahlehliswa ngemva kokuqubuka kwengqinamba zokubhaliswa kwezithunywa. Owayengumengameli we-ANC Women's League uBathabile Dlamini, owayunobhala uSisi Ntombela kanye nelungu le-ANC ePhalamende uThembeka Mchunu bagaqele ikhundla eziphezulu kulolu phiko.
We have since been able to, yes, maybe collapse, not quite, but pause, understand what is the nature of the issues that were collapsing the registration as it was proceeding. But finally, as I say, an hour ago, I am confidently telling you we are more than 90% ready with conference delegates fully registered, except for one province. Except for one province. You will be told when the information is ready what in fact went wrong, but the Northwest.
Ngaphambi kokuthi sikwethulele uhlahlo wesimo sezulu umbukele besikuthembise wona siqale ngodaba uthi izangoma zezulu ezingayidli imbumba zisesicongweni sentaba ePitoli zexwayisa ngomoya onamandla oholeza amakhaza ashubisa umkantsha.
Ula ukuthi kuzokhithika iqhwa elihambisana nomoya oqhaqhazelisa amazinyo kwezinye izingxenye zezwe ikakhulukazi esifundazweni iEastern Cape.
Snow that's expected is mainly over the extreme northern parts of the Eastern Cape province, spreading to the Drakensberg, and much more of it still remains on the following day over around the areas in Lesotho and the southwestern parts of KwaZulu-Natal.
Abezimo eziphuthumayo bathi bami ngomumo ukubhekana nezigameko zokusha ezingase zibe khona kulandela ukusha kwemijondolo emasontweni edlule.
We've had a number of fire incidents in areas like Alexander, which we'll be monitoring. We have had fire incidents in areas like Zandspruit, you know, we've had areas like Deep Slot, you know, Orange Farm. So those are, I'll say, some of the areas which we are really monitoring.
Izakhamuzi ziyanxuswa ukuthi ziqaphele uma zisebenzisa izimbawula kanye namakhandlela. Nanku umhlahlo wesimo sezulu ulandela.
Ake nabo mgadla kahle ngisho sebemvimbana ngeenkantolo umphambe ephuce ikhubalo lenyanga ziyakuqala bese kuphathele zona namhlanje kusasa sizoba isiphakwa uza kwethu abakhuluma ulimi lwesiXhosa thina sobe singekho sizosibuye ngomsombuluko sale kahle.